Hi, I'm Bryn and I work at the Cotton Patch, and today we're going to be talking about some new books that just came in. Okay, we have starting off All Things Quilting with Alex Anderson. Um, so this is from First Step to Last Stitch. It's a great overall companion for a new quilter or someone who just kind of wants to have all of their quilting information in one book that they can really easily, reference as they're going about the quilting process. Some of the things, they start off with color, with grain, with fabric, and they take you all the way to binding off your quilt. Um, and it has a little bit of everything in here, which is really fantastic. It takes you through the ins and outs and kind of all these tips that you, if you're a beginner or if you're a seasoned veteran, you know, are going to find helpful in your day-to-day quilting. I really like the sheer amount of information that they've been able to condense into this book, and I think it's also very approachable and very readable. It has lots of diagrams and shows you what they are talking about rather than just giving you a whole lot of text to read through without much breaking it up. So that is All Things Quilting with Alex Anderson. Next up, we have Flying Geese. So this is a book dedicated to flying geese and patterns that involve them. So it's just kind of a quick grab, lots of fun patterns. Some of my favorite patterns, using flying geese in ways that are fun, new, exciting. Always a good pattern book to have on hand. I love seeing these traditional, quilting designs. We have, all kinds of different traditional blocks and traditional quilting methods that you can then revamp into all sorts of new ways that I just think are really utilized well, and I love seeing them used in all different kinds of ways. This is Love Flying Geese. It's 27 modern quilt projects from Love Patchwork and Quilting. And finally, we have Tilda Hot Chocolate Sewing, Cozy Autumn and Winter Sewing Projects. So this one is really great. It has a really wide variety of projects that you can get into, both large and small. So, you go anywhere from small dolls, which they have a really great baby deer pattern, to, larger bags. And then you have full quilt patterns as well, all using various Tilda fabrics. But obviously you can mix and match your own. I think that they do a good wide variety of projects that really could keep you busy for a long time. They also have these cute little toiletry bags that I think are done really well with lots of applique work. And then they include in the back all the various pattern pieces for small duck, for your applique, for the dolls. All of that's included, and you can trace them out in the back. It's just a very fun and cozy project book that I'm excited to try out in my own sewing. This is Tilda Hot Chocolate Sewing, Cozy Autumn and Winter Sewing Projects. Again, I'm Bryn and I work at the Cotton Patch. And thank you for coming in today and taking a look with me at some of the books that we have.